Hi, I'm Fabian, the creator of Eddy, the smallest and lightest add-on kit for bicycles that converts any bicycle into a powerful e-bike within seconds. You simply mount the drive unit to your existing bike, attach the battery, switch it on, and off you go. 3 years ago, we successfully launched the first version of Eddy. Since then, thousands of bikes all over the world have been equipped with Eddy, making their owners faster and happier. The reasons why Eddy is so popular are clear. It is extremely light, extremely powerful, very compact, and you can use it on any existing bike. The only downside of a friction roller drive is this. It can be quite noisy. However, the new generation of Eddy will sound more like this. And that's not the result of our sound engineer playing around with the volume control. It's the result of a solid 1-year Austrian engineering process that has led to 90% noise reduction. Like in the previous version of Eddy, there's no friction in standby mode. In on mode, you can choose between 5 support levels. Once you pedal, Eddy starts within half a second. If you stop pedaling, Eddy stops automatically. One battery can last up to 4 hours in constant use and can be exchanged or charged easily. Another big step forward are these wireless sensors, not only because they're much more sensitive, but they make the installation so easy, no matter which bike you're using. In case you still want help with the installation, we do have an extensive and permanent growing support network. We are so proud of this new generation of Eddy. It really describes our vision of the future of cycling. Now we need your help to accelerate the production and establish Eddy Next on the market. If you already own a previous version of Eddy, check out our update perk to get all the advantages of Eddy Next. Join our campaign and emotion your bike with Eddy.
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips, making life more comfortable in every aspect and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. RideAir is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. RideAir is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in 2 common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. RideAir is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. RideAir can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike, so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your RideAir where it belongs. And of course, RideAir isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.
Hi, I'm Carl and I invented the world's smallest bicycle rack.
Do you have a stylish, super light bike? Have you ever thought that a bicycle rack or basket doesn't fit the style of your bike? then CarryGum is the perfect solution for you. With CarryGum, both hands stay on the handlebar and transportation becomes safe and convenient. CarryGum is really flexible and you can fix a lot of different things. We've tried and tested loads to find a lightweight solution that works with almost any bar and looks great at the same time. CarryGum consists of a super light carrier, a hook and loop tape with a rubberized contact area, and a durable elastic strap. CarryGum fits almost every kind of handlebar. We've got loads of beautiful colors to fit the style of your bike perfectly.
Now we need your support to produce the prototype in series. With your support, the fantastic idea of the world's smallest bicycle rack will become reality. Thank you.
We love riding bikes and we love our bikes, and like everything you love in life, you want to keep it safe and protect it.
The original idea for Hiplock came about a few years ago when I had a bike stolen. I took it out without taking a lock with me. I had no means of carrying a lock on the bike. We wanted to create an easy to carry bike lock for cyclists.
As a team of cyclists, we only want to launch products that we really believe in, and we knew we had a good product on our hands when we started using it ourselves every day.
We spend a long time putting Hiplock through its paces. We test rider comfort, durability, and make sure that every lock is as secure as possible. Getting the Sold Secure rating for a new Hiplock is always a great moment.
We really care about the design of our products, and as a result won the 2013 Eurobike Design Award.
3 years on from launching the original Hiplock, we now have a range of wearable security for every type of rider. Keeping our bikes safe without disrupting the enjoyment of riding is really what drives us. All Hiplocks are designed with the rider in mind, and what that means is engineering a secure, great looking product that people actually want to take with them.